Hello guys, today I will show you how you can make fake WhatsApp for your personal use or prank. First of all, go to Play Store and search second line. Install this app. I have already installed, so I will open it. Click on sign up. Type any random email. See, I will type any random Google Mail dot. Type any random password also. Create account. Continue. Verify this captcha. Continue. Okay, not. Setup. What the fuck? Hello. Don't use my location. Here you will type a code 450. Continue. I agree. Click here. Continue. Wait for some time. Here you can see. Here is your number. Okay. Now let's go create a clone of WhatsApp. Dual apps. Go to settings and search dual apps. I will turn on WhatsApp. Here you can see my phone has created a clone WhatsApp. I will show you app info. WhatsApp clone. Okay. Now go to second line. Click here. Click here. Complete your profile. Click here. It will copy your phone number. Open clone WhatsApp. Agree and continue. Here please search Canada. Paste the phone number. Next. Okay. Wait for some time. See, I have got an OTP. See, it's not fake, bro. It's legit. What is my 562046? It's the code. 562046. Now it will verify this account. Continue. Allow. Type any name. I will type anonymous. Next. Here you can see the WhatsApp has been created. I will show you example. See, here I am using WhatsApp. The account is created. Hope you guys will use this method for yourself, and please follow our Telegram channel link. This is our channel link. Share with your friends. In this channel I do everyday Amazon Prime account giveaway. You can see every day. Okay guys, thank you. Hope you like this tutorial.